Here's how to delete a Facebook page permanently. So in this video I'm going to exactly show you step by step on how you can delete a Facebook page. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First of all, go to Facebook, and once you're in Facebook, as you can see that I'm on my page right now. If you don't know how to go to your page, just press on this icon right over here, and here you can see you can change your accounts or pages. Once you're in page, just go down a bit until you see settings and privacy. Press on it and go to settings. Once you're in settings, scroll down a bit more until you see the option of access and control under the your information tab. Just press on it, and here you will see deactivation and deletion. Just press on it, and here you will see two options. First one, deactivate page, and the second one is delete page. So if you want to permanently delete your account, just press on delete page and press continue, and here give them a reason why are you deleting your Facebook page. Just press on I spent too much time on Facebook, and then just press continue, and then it's gonna tell you to save your post or have them in archive, download your information, and transfer your data, and then just press continue after that, and then you have to put in your password. Once you put in your password, just press continue and you're good to go. You will be able to permanently delete your Facebook page. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope I helped you out. Like, subscribe, and comment under this video. Until then, goodbye and peace out.